Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this kind of AI agent. So here when I type some question like what is an AI agent, so this will give me a short answer. The AI agent is a software system that perceives its environment, processes information, and something like what is an n8n. So this will again give me a short answer. And so this is being executed from here on n8n. So here you see the Telegram trigger. Whenever I type some question, so this AI agent will take this question from this Telegram trigger and process it through the chat model. So I'm using the GPT OSS model, which is OpenAI. So with this one, you can get it for free. And so this will again send it to Telegram as an answer. So I will show you step by step how you can achieve this AI agent. So first of all, so you need to get n8n. So either you can use n8n official website, which is around 20 euro, but I'm going to show you the cheaper way. So you just go to Hostinger and log in with your account. So here you see this VPS. Choose this BPS, get new VPS and KBM BPS. So just choose the location and just type n8n. So you see the developer tools n8n here. Click and select. So here you just type your root password. So you can just type anything and click on next. So here click on next. So here you can choose the KBM1 or KBM2. So you get 1 CPU core and 4 GB RAM. So this will be enough for you to design, and click on select. So when you choose 12 months or 24 months, so you will get in cheaper price. So for 1 month, so here it's around 399 Indian rupees, which is around $5-6. So for 12 months, so you get this one. And when you use my coupon code with Arjun, so I will put the link into the description. So once you use my link, so you will get a good amount of discount. So just choose that, complete your payment, and so you will be redirected to open your account. So open your account. So you'll be seeing this kind of interface. So you can click on create workflow, and here so we will be building that AI agent. So first of all, so we are using a Telegram. So for that, so click on first step, and here just go with the Telegram. So on Telegram, so just choose this on message, and here we need to connect the API. So to do that, click on create new credential, and here we need to put the access token. So for that, so just go into this Telegram, and here on your Telegram you need to type this bot father, and this one, and click on open. So here if I click on open, so you'll see this kind of interface here. So here you need to create a new bot. So for that, just type new bot, and this will ask you to write a name, demo n8n code with Arjun, or you can just give any name. And so here we need to again give the username. So for that we need to include bot at the end. So let's type n8n code with Arjun bot and click enter. So here you see the new bot has been created, and this will give us the API key. So this API key we need to copy this one and paste inside this access token, and click on save. So you see the credential successfully created and the connection is successful. So once this is done, so just close this one, and the second step is to create an AI agent. Plus sign AI and AI agent. So here we just need to give some system message. So we will be giving it later, but for now, so let's click on this AI agent, and here we need to add the chat model. So the chat model, so as I mentioned before, so we will be using the Grok. So just type Grok here, Grok chat model, and for now, so we need to create a new credential. So for that, we just need to go into new tab and again type Grok Cloud here, and just open your account. And so you'll see something like this kind of interface, and here you see these API keys. So I have created a lot of them, but for you, so you click on create API key and give the name n8n code with Arjun demo, or you can just give any name, and you can put the expiration date as well. Click on submit. So this will give you an API key. So copy that and go to automation here. Simply paste that API key and you can see the connection tested successfully. So once you do that, so now you get to choose these models, different models. So you see the Grok, OpenAI, GPT OSS, Grok Compounder. So you can go with different models. But for now, for this demonstration, so I will be going with GPT OSS, 120 billion parameter. So this will be enough for us to give that answer. Once this is done, so let me click and execute the overflow. And here, so go on Telegram. So since we have given this n8n code with Arjun bot, so click on that one, click on start. And so as soon as you start, so you can see the Telegram bot has already been started. So now again click on execute overflow, and here if you type some answer like what is n8n, so you see, so this has been executed. And a list, so if I double click onto this one, so this will come as an text. So what is n8n? So on AI agent now, so we can drag and drop onto this user message. So if I click on define now and drag and drop this thing, so you see on the user prompt, so what is n8n has been added. And on system message, so we'll say write a short answer of the question on this one. So you can just drag and drop here. So this will change it to expressions. Write a short answer of the question provided on this one. So just like what is n8n. And if I click on execute step, so you see the answer. The n8n is an open source. So now we just need to send this output to the Telegram again. So for that, again, close this one and here click on plus sign here. And here again type Telegram. So for this time, so we need to choose message, send or text message. So choose on this one. So since we have already connected this Telegram API, so choose that one. Click on message, send message. So now to get the chat ID, again go to Telegram and go back here. There is something called get my ID. So this one, get my ID. Search for this one. And here, so here if you click on /start and click enter, so you will get your ID and chat ID. So simply copy that ID and simply paste inside this chat ID here. And on the text, so we just need to put this output. So drag and drop this output. So on this text, so this will be JSON.output. So this will go onto this Telegram again. So if I click on execute step and again check on Telegram and go on this demo n8n code with Arjun, so you see the answer has been already added here. So now if I click on save here and click on publish, even if you close, so this will be running in background. So now if I just type something like what is an AI agent, so you see, so this will automatically give you an answer. And to see the execution, so you can go on to these executions. So on January 2 and 2/1, so this has been executed. So again, so you can ask as much as question you want. So what is AI? So this will give me again an answer. So you can see that this has been executed just now. So what is Hostinger? So it's a web hosting company. So something like this. So this is a basic example of how you can create your AI agent. So you can do a lot more with that. And also I just wanted to remind you, so this Grok model has a limited execution or limited keys. So you can always go and check here, and if you want to get more of these, so you can always buy more, and you can pay for that as well. So or you can either use other models like OpenAI, or there are different models available, Gemini. So this is the basic example of how you can implement your AI agent. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, be sure to like, share and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.